MHC Kenworth, Denver, Colorado. The world's best in new and used trucks.
An ultra-lightweight 2018 Peterbilt 579 is for sale at MHC Denver. A 455 horsepower 10-speed Ultra 58-inch raised roof single sleeper. This truck sits at $367,000 on the miles. A few features. This truck's got disc brakes all around, Bendix Wingman advanced collision mitigation, and a bunk heater. You've got 12K fronts, 38K rears, a 212-inch wheelbase, and a 2.64 rear ratio. You've got 22.5 low pros with super singles on the rears and all aluminum wheels polished up for you. This truck is equipped with dual 80-gallon fuel tanks. Under the hood, a PACCAR MX-13 with that Fuller 10-speed Ultra transmission. Inside, you've got a shining interior, a sleeper with lots of room and storage, and check out the dash. It's got everything you need. If you want this truck, a 2018 Peterbilt 579, call MHC Denver at 888-592-4070.